As President of Indonesia will be the chief guest for the Republic Day parade this year, the marching contingent along with the band contingent of Indonesia is also in India. Let's speak to them. How's their experience and what message they want to give to the Indian Army as they've been interacting while the practice is going on. A very warm welcome on India Today. First, introduce yourself and tell me how it feels to be in India for the Republic Day parade of India.
I would like to introduce myself.
युवा रेजिमेंट की स्थापना के अल्प समय में कई उपलब्धियों
पिनाका मल्टी लॉन्चर रॉकेट सिस्टम की टुकड़ी सुमित मेहता विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल कमीशन into 44 आर्मर्ड रेजिमेंट एंड लुमिनस ऑफ द नोबल स्कूल धनबाद सेंट माइकल्स
शाल बख्श से शोभित तरुणाई भारत माँ की ललकार सुन हुए तत्पर ये सदा कराल काल को देकर चुनौती
marching proudly onto the grand stage of this parade, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Gendaram Sulim Shankar, the spirit and honor of the Academy. The name Shankar Lokananda, ladies and gentlemen, comprises of several musical instruments, including snare drums, tenor drums, bass drums, trombones, trumpets. India and Indonesia side by side in harmony.
विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र 152 सैन्य कर्मियों से बना TNI मृतिका तुंग मैकेनाइज्ड दस्तों का नेतृत्व करता मुख्य युद्धक टैंक T90 भी नेतृत्व 74 आर्मर्ड रेजिमेंट के साथ डिजाइन किया गया है। इसमें एक शक्तिशाली 1.5 मिलीमीटर स्मूथ बोर गन को फायर करने में सक्षम यह टैंक रात के समय ही 5 किलोमीटर की दूरी तक के लक्ष्य को
नामित और BMP-2 साल की टुकड़ी फॉलो आर्म ऑन today's आर्म पंचायत है। ये 5 किलोमीटर की दूरी से दुश्मन के टैंक को ध्वस्त करने की क्षमता रखता है। इसमें नाविका ट्रैक आमद फाइटर होते हैं मंजिल पर पहुंचकर और नाविक के ठीक पीछे देवी और सजलों PLA 30 मिलीमीटर की स्वचालित को 7.6 लेना की सक्षम ताका अद्वितीय भारत है।
Rolling next on Prasad is the line of detachment infantry column showcasing India's advanced military capability. These vehicles are designed to maneuver in tough terrain, especially in the high altitude regions. Following these, offering enhanced protection and firepower for high intensity combat. The parade also features Hillbreast Sharma.
पहरेदार हिमालय के फट जाते चट्टान मैकेनाइज्ड कॉलम के क्रम में 344 मिसाइल रेजिमेंट एक ऐसी युवा रेजिमेंट जिसकी स्थापना के अल्प समय में कई उपलब्धियों
पिनाका मल्टी लॉन्चर रॉकेट सिस्टम की टुकड़ी स्वदेशी रूप से विकसित और भगवान शिव के formidable BM-21 Agnibaal, a 122mm multi-barrel rocket neutralizing enemy positions on high altitude ridges. Approaching the system in the armory of the Indian Army. Indigenously developed by the Indian Army and Bharat Electronics Limited, BSS, a force multiplier ready to be exploited.
पत्थरों को बढ़कर मैं करूं मुकाबला, आग बनकर मैं आंधियों के पंख 9.5 मीटर तक के अंतराल को कम करने एवं 70 टन के टैंकर का वजन 10 मिनट में तैनात किया जा सकता है। ये था आदर्श वाक्य 9 आपके लिए है और इसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं।
Next you witness the impressive Akash weapon system. Command signifies a major leap towards self-reliance in defense production in line with the MiG, highlighting its critical role in safeguarding the India's airspace. This advanced system is soon capable of firing short-range surface-to-air missiles to neutralize the enemy aerial platform. With an impressive
देश की रक्षात्मकता की सशक्त तस्वीर कर्तव्य पथ पर भेंट के मैकेनाइजर जब उन्हें इन्हीं बहादुरों ने पाला। कैप्टन रविंद्र भारद्वाज के नेतृत्व में सलामी मंच की ओर से पद्म भूषण के अलावा कई सम्मानों से अलंकृत। आदर्श वाक्य पहला हमेशा पहला।
Exemplary music, but in its ability to rally hearts and embolden spirits.
कैप्टन अजय सिंह गढ़सा के हाथों में रेजिमेंट को 5 युद्ध सम्मान, 3 राइफल इस बार प्रमुख लक्ष्य and decorated regiment of the Indian Army, a jawar of the mission, your pride and the
समंदर कर्तव्य पथ पर खेलते हुए 6
It was formed on 1st October 1941 by the efforts of Dr. Bhimrao Hindustan की जय।
न कोई थकान न कर्तव्य पथ पर जम्मू एवं कश्मीर राइफल की टुकड़ी बड़े चाव
capable of protecting India's maritime interests, hardly हमारी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी द्वारा
Rakshak formation. From 11th squadron, they will be flying in big formation. आदर्श वाक्य के साथ आकाश में दहाड़ते हुए कमान संभालिए ग्रुप कैप्टन करते हुए 24 स्क्वाड्रन की स्कोर खतरे में आई। ये वक्त नाविक रिवर्स
प्रत्येक भारतवासी अब चलता रहेगा, उड़ता रहेगा और बढ़ता रहेगा। ये है
Indonesia will be the chief guest for the Republic Day parade this year. The marching contingent along with the band contingent of Indonesia is also in India. Let's speak to them. How's their experience and what message they want to give to the Indian Army as they've been interacting while the practice is going on. A very warm welcome on India Today. First, introduce yourself and tell me how it feels to be in India for the Republic Day parade of India.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Second Sergeant Major Cadet Dhru Satria Hartanto. I am from the Indonesian contingent. I am part of the drum band. And for me, it's truly such an honor. And I'm very excited to be part of this Republic Day as it is also my first time being here in India. So I'm very excited. I'm very full of energy about it. Thank you.
What about you? Introduce yourself, and are you in the band or you are marching?
Okay, so my name is Second Sergeant Major Cadet Tasha Putri. I'm the part of the band, so I'm feeling that it's really excited to be in India, especially to be participating in this India Republic Day. It's such an honor for me, for my contingent, because I hope that the presence of us in here can be enhancing the cooperation between India and Indonesia to be more stronger.
While you stay in India, did you interact with the soldiers from India, the officers or the women in army like you? How did you feel?
Well, I'm very happy because we can communicate with others, soldiers from India. It's really nice to create a great bond with them. Okay.
Please introduce yourself and tell us that when you are here, how did you feel and what it feels, what memories will you take of India?
So my name is Second Lieutenant Joshua. I'm the platoon commander of the troops that will be attend on the Indian Republic Parade. So this is not only just for me, it's for us. This is our first time going to the parade, even going to India. I would like to say thank you for everything. Thank you for the people, for the government, because even though the weather cold, but the welcome is very warm for us.
So what is the strength of the parade contingent and also the band?
Excuse me?
What is the strength, the number of...
It's around 352, the bands and the contingent. Yeah.
What do you feel you're coming here, your president's coming to India to enhance the ties between India and Indonesia, and more often you can come here?
I really hope so. You know, I for my first time being here in India, I'm very happy to be here. The weather is great. Everybody's really nice. I love the food.
Did you enjoy some Indian food?
Oh, of course. Everything from the curry, the breads, and all your, puns and so on. I've really enjoyed the cuisine here. It's great.
Same about you, about the cuisine?
Yeah, well, actually, it's kind of similar between Indonesia and India. The spiceful of the flavor, but I love India more because it's more rich taste in my mouth.
Spicy food.
Yeah, that's right.
What about you? If I ask you about the food you enjoyed here, what did you like about it?
I would like to say that I love curry so much because back in my country, if I go to the restaurant, the one thing there is their menu, curry menu, because the curry is worldwide menu, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you liked being in India. And
Yeah.
Thank you for being in India on Republic Day Parade. So the Indonesian contingent, along with the band, they are happy to be friends with the soldiers of India, and they believe that presidents coming here and their marching contingent will enhance the ties between India and Indonesia, and very important, they all enjoyed the Indian cuisine. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Pradeep Gupta for India Today from New Delhi.